Number 7. Identify the identity a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. A. Perfect squares. B. Binomial expression. C. Trinomial expression. D. Difference of two squares. This is very simple, and this is a level 1 question. A simple recall will do here. So what is going to be the option? This is very obvious. Since we have a squared, which is a perfect square, and then b squared, also a perfect square, and then we are subtracting b squared from a squared, then it's a difference. Simple. A difference of two squares. So the option is D, as shown on the screen. Number 8. And this is taken from SSSCE 1993 objective question 35. Which of the following is or are rational numbers? I. P equal to the set of elements 2, root 3, and then 5. I. Q equal to the set of elements 7, 1 over 6, and root 9. I. R equal to the set of elements from negative 3 to positive 8. Now, if you consider what is provided, we have option A, I only, option B, I only, option C, I only, option D, I and I only. If you observe I, you'd realize that root 3 disqualifies the set from being rational number, since root 3 is an irrational number. If you move to Q equal to 7, 1 over 6, and of course root 9, you see that all these numbers qualify to be rational numbers. Why? Root 9 also simplifies to 3, which is also a number that can be expressed as a vulgar fraction, because 3 can be written as 3 over 1 or 9 over 3, and so on and so forth. Now, the I is quite tricky. They said numbers ranging from negative 3 to positive 8. Do not forget that they did not define what x was. What it simply means is that x can be either rational or irrational. Any number that is rational or irrational and falls within this particular interval qualifies to be part of the set of elements belonging to R. So in that case, the only option we have left is B, which is I only.